What if I told you I'm about to make the most nourishing, all-natural foaming hand soap right here in my kitchen? Wait till you see the results. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth, and today I'm diving into a new DIY kit. The DIY foaming hand soap kit that's going to change how you look at hand soap. We're making fresh grow foaming hand soap, and it's full of natural goodness like lemon eucalyptus and fir needle. This recipe will not only leave your hands feeling soft, but it is also free from harsh chemicals, just pure botanical power. Let's get started. First, pour 1 tablespoon of natural solubilizer, a 1/4 cup of foam boost, and 18 drops of GeoGuard ECT and your essential oil preference into your foaming container. Now you will have 2 options for this. If you like a more lemon heavy scent, then you would do 8 drops of lemon eucalyptus and 4 drops of fir needle. But if you like a more evergreen scent, which is what I will be doing today, then you would go with option number 2, which would be 8 drops fir needle and 4 drops of lemon eucalyptus. This creates the perfect base for your soap, and it ensures it lathers nicely. Swirl gently until it is well mixed. Next, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin to keep your hands hydrated. This is the magic ingredient that locks in moisture and prevents your skin from feeling dry after washing. Swirl that again to mix. Now pour in about 3/4 cups of distilled water. Be careful to stop once it reaches the shoulder of the bottle. To balance the pH, in a small bowl, dissolve a 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid in a 1 tablespoon of warm distilled water. Then add it to the mix. Now screw the foaming pump onto the container and swirl one last time. This step ensures the soap is gentle on your skin. Label it and we're almost done. To use, just pump a cloud of foam into your hands, lather up, and rinse. And just like that, you've got your very own fresh grow foaming hand soap. Want to make all 4 bottles of soap at once? It's super easy. Just adjust the ingredients as follows. Use a 1/4 cup of natural solubilizer, 1 cup of foam boost, and a 1/4 cup of vegetable glycerin, and around 80 drops or 3/4 teaspoons of GeoGuard ECT. You'll also need 48 drops of the essential oils. So for option number 1, you will need 32 drops of lemon eucalyptus and 16 drops of fir needle. So for option number 2, you would flip that around, which would be 16 drops of lemon eucalyptus and 32 drops of fir needle. Add about 3 cups plus 4 tablespoons of distilled water and 1 teaspoon of citric acid. And don't forget your 4 foaming soap containers and labels. I'm just gonna dip my hands in the water and give this a try. Let's see how it turned out. Okay, this foam feels really nice. This foam is light, but it still feels rich. This does not feel homemade at all, and that's kind of impressive. This scent is amazing. The lemon eucalyptus and fir needle oils come together perfectly. My hands feel moisturized and clean with no tightness at all. And if this works for me, it'll work for you too. Try it out, and don't forget to share your creations with hashtag I made this and tag from Simply Earth. And if you love easy, fun, toxin-free DIY projects, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box. See you in the next video.